James.
Madam Chair, good morning and thank you very much for taking my question. Gentlemen, thank you very much indeed for coming to talk to us this morning. If you don't mind, I'm going to make an observation to begin with, then I will go to my questions. The first point I would make as an observation is that a lot of what we've heard this morning, as ever, is conjecture. I do believe we have to recognise the basics of negotiating strategy, which is that Theresa May, the United Kingdom Prime Minister, does not need to reveal her negotiating position until she has invoked Article 50. But she's now given a date, so a lot of what we've heard this morning, a lot of what we've heard at previous meetings, may or may not come true. But I do appreciate there's no harm in raising the worst case scenario and recognising that that is part of Project Threat and Project Revenge, which Mr Juncker seems to be an arch proponent. That's just one aspect. But gentlemen, my question, I've got two if you don't mind. The first one is you did not raise, but I'd like you to consider, the issue of Article 9 of the treaty, principle of citizens' equality and specifically resident status. If, as you say, and you hinted at this very clearly, that it's really bad news for everybody who's not living in their member state, does that not lead to the issue of the necessity of change to the Lisbon Treaty to actually guarantee those rights? Because somehow or another you can't have Article 9 within the treaty as it stands and still raise the issues that you did. And then the second question is, I wonder if you could comment please a bit more on Gibraltar's situation and its association with the United Kingdom and the transfer of people on a daily basis from the Spanish mainland to Gibraltar, and just touch on the issues there. Thank you very much indeed, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Dear colleagues, I would like to now close the list of speakers. I understand there's nobody else who would like to ask questions, so I give the floor, because we finish at 10, so now I give the floor to professors. You have